You sure can, because you kind of beat it out of me like you talked about.
I did. When he say beat him, I beat him down on national TV.
All right, well, first off, say thank you to everybody. Thank you to Antonio. His drinks are truly the best. I told him I was already falling down. I might as well be drunk. Appreciate it. It's good to see everybody here, man. I appreciate y'all coming out for this show, man. You know, it's hard being a comedian, man. It was this or going back to stripping. Yeah, I used to be a stripper. They used to call me Slow Heat. Relationships are definitely hard. It's difficult walking into or out of any relationship as a handicapped man. Because, you know, you can't just dump her. That's the help.
Right.
That flow hit different when you ain't got nobody to help you up. Priorities. You can laugh, man. That's not going to be the reason you go to hell, brother. I promise you. No. Don't worry. I ain't going to jive on you, dog. I ain't going to jive on you. Don't worry about that, dog.